Welcome back, Kingdom Cash family. Have you ever scrolled through your favorite social media platform and thought, how can I turn my screen time into serious cash? Well, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the ultimate playbook on how to leverage social media platforms for online business success. Get ready to unlock the secrets of turning your passion into profit, your likes into loot, and your followers into fortunes. The social media goldmine, why now is the time to act? Let's start with the obvious. Social media is not just a playground for selfies and memes, it's a massive marketplace teeming with potential. With billions of active users daily, platforms like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and LinkedIn are virtual gold mines for savvy entrepreneurs. The key is knowing how to tap into this wealth of opportunities and turn casual scrollers into loyal customers. The beauty of social media is its accessibility. You don't need a fancy office or a massive budget to start, all you need is a smartphone and a good idea. But here's the catch, success isn't instant. It's like planting a seed, it requires time, effort, and a bit of nurturing. However, with the right strategies, the harvest can be bountiful. Choosing your platform, the Big Five. Each social media platform has its unique strengths, and choosing the right one can be the difference between thriving and merely surviving. Instagram, perfect for visually driven brands and businesses. Whether you're selling physical products, digital services, or just building a personal brand, Instagram's visual-centric approach can help showcase your offerings in a captivating way. YouTube, the go-to platform for video content. From tutorials and unboxings to vlogs and live streams, YouTube offers a space to build deep connections with your audience through engaging video content. TikTok, the new kid on the block, but a powerhouse for virality. Short, snappy videos can reach millions overnight, making it ideal for trend-based marketing and reaching younger audiences. LinkedIn, not just a job hunting site. LinkedIn is a professional network where you can position yourself as an expert, connect with industry leaders, and market B2B services. Facebook, the OG of social media. While some might consider it passé, Facebook remains a crucial platform for businesses, especially with its robust ad targeting options and active groups. Content is king, creating viral content. So you've picked your platform, now what? The next step is to create content that resonates with your audience. Here's the secret sauce. Value plus consistency plus authenticity. Value. Provide content that educates, entertains, or inspires. Whether it's a how-to guide, a behind-the-scenes look, or a motivational post, make sure your content adds value to your audience's life. Consistency. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is an online empire. Consistent posting helps build trust and keeps your brand top of mind. It's not just about frequency, it's about regularity. Set a schedule and stick to it. Authenticity. In a world full of filters and highlight reels, authenticity stands out. Be real, be you. Share your story, your struggles, and your successes. People connect with people, not just brands. Engagement, the secret ingredient to building a community. Social media is, well, social. It's not enough to just post and ghost. Engage with your audience, reply to comments, ask questions, and encourage discussions. The more you interact, the more loyal your followers become. This isn't just about building a following, it's about building a community. Pro tip: use polls, Q&As, and live sessions to directly interact with your audience. This not only boosts engagement but also gives you valuable insights into what your audience wants. Before we forget, smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for building your empire. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we drop more game-changing business ideas. And hey, if you're serious about taking your side hustle to the next level, check out our exclusive resources and courses down there too. Monetizing your influence. Turning followers into dollars. Alright, let's get to the juicy part, making money. There are several ways to monetize your social media presence. Sponsored posts and brand deals. As your following grows, brands may approach you for collaborations. This can range from product reviews to sponsored content. Affiliate marketing. Promote products you love and earn a commission on sales. It's a win-win. You get paid, and your audience gets great recommendations. Selling products or services. This is the most direct way to monetize. Whether it's physical products, digital courses, or consulting services, your followers can become your customers. Ad revenue platforms like YouTube offer ad revenue sharing for content creators. As your views grow, so does your potential income. Case studies, success stories to inspire you. Let's look at a couple of real-world examples to get those creative juices flowing. Certainly, I'd be happy to expand on those topics. Gary Vaynerchuk started out as the son of a New Jersey liquor store owner. He began posting wine review videos on YouTube in the early 2000s, which quickly gained a large following. He recognized the power of social media early on, and built his personal brand around providing consistent, valuable content to his audience. Rather than simply selling wine, he positioned himself as an expert in the industry and a mentor to aspiring entrepreneurs. His secret was connecting directly with his followers, responding to comments, and maintaining a relatable, approachable persona. This strategy allowed him to expand into digital marketing, consulting, venture capitalism, and a media company, building a multi-million-dollar empire. Charli D'Amelio's rise to fame on TikTok is a quintessential example of the platform's ability to launch unknown individuals into stardom. Charli began posting dance videos from her bedroom as a teenager, quickly amassing a massive following for her relatable, authentic content. Unlike many social media stars, Charli didn't rely on highly produced or curated content. Her videos captured her genuine self and everyday life. This resonated with her audience, who felt they were connecting with a real person rather than an unattainable celebrity. Charli's journey demonstrates the power of creating content that is accessible and emotionally engaging, rather than simply polished and professional. Pat Flynn's story is a testament to the potential of online business models. As a former architect, Flynn lost his job during the 2008 recession. He then turned to blogging and podcasting, focusing on topics like passive income and personal finance. Flynn built a multi-million-dollar online business by providing valuable, authentic content and leveraging passive income streams like affiliate marketing and digital product sales. His success shows that with the right strategies and a genuine connection with an audience, it's possible to turn a passion project into a sustainable online business. Flynn's approach of storytelling and transparency has been a key factor in building trust and loyalty with his audience. Overcoming challenges. When faced with tough challenges in life or business, it's important to have a plan for how to navigate through the difficult times. Some key strategies include maintaining a positive, resilient mindset and focusing on what you can control, seeking support from mentors, peers, or professional resources, breaking down large problems into smaller, manageable steps, experimenting with different approaches and being open to new solutions, taking care of your physical and mental well-being to stay energized and focused, reflecting on past successes and drawing on your inner strength and resourcefulness, remaining flexible and adaptable as circumstances change, celebrating small wins and milestones along the way. Let's keep it real, it's not always smooth sailing. There will be days when the likes are low, the views are down, and the trolls are out. But here's the thing, resilience is key. Remember, every successful entrepreneur has faced setbacks. The difference between success and failure is persistence. Pro tip: focus on the process, not just the outcome. Set small, achievable goals and celebrate every milestone no matter how small, and always keep learning and adapting. The social media landscape is constantly evolving, and so should you. The power of analytics. Understanding your audience. Data is your best friend. Most social media platforms offer analytics tools that give you insights into your audience's demographics, behaviors, and preferences. Use this data to refine your content strategy. What's working, what's not, which posts get the most engagement. Pro tip: don't just look at vanity metrics like likes and followers. Dive deeper into engagement rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates. This will help you understand what's driving your success and where there's room for improvement. Building a sustainable business, the long game. Finally, let's talk about longevity. It's easy to get caught up in the hustle for quick gains, but building a sustainable business requires a long-term mindset. This means continuously providing value, evolving with market trends, and staying true to your brand's mission and values. Pro tip: diversify your income streams. Don't rely on just one platform or monetization method. Explore different avenues like digital products, membership sites, and live events. Thanks for tuning into Kingdom Cash, where we turn ideas into income. Remember, as you build your online empires, be kind, be humble, and be generous. The world needs more of that.